How to earn money when you have not any skill? Yes, it's to be possible. Like, I am not a video editor, but I earn money video editing. How? It's to be possible, like, just for good communication skill. And yes, some knowledge you have this particular field. Like, I have started my freelancing or online earning journey is more than 6 or 8 months ago properly. I am doing just a small thing, social media management and YouTube video SEO. But I have good knowledge of that, then I will piece up uh, uh, business course, entrepreneur for her channel management and editing long form to short form content or short form editing. So I have not any skill for editing. I am management skill and SEO. So how I am doing that's I have two people on my team. They all for this content editing and scripting. I will just handle the client. The client believe me, not to believe my editor, because they know that I am work for her. They know that I have another man they work and they will submit me, then I will put him. So it's middleman me, but my client is not to be know that. So that's I am telling, you have good communication skill and you have knowledge how to handle client and how to talk like trustable, then it's good for you. But first thing you have, I think, on particular skill that's help you lots and it's good for you. It's any skill, a small skill, like I'm doing YouTube SEO. It's like more than 15 or 20 days you can learn it. It's very easy for learn. But right now that's market is not good because everyone is come, it's a small. But I am telling you, properly learn on a skill, you masters it, you proper know about that skill, then you shift another thing. That's my suggestion. So comment me what is your skill, and do you even start freelancing, and do you have thinking about to start freelancing? So comment it. So how to earn money without skill, I am telling how to do that. But another thing I will do, reference. That's I will telling my client like my work, then I will told her or him, that's sir or ma'am, do you like my work, or you believe me, then you can suggest my work of other. So yes, sometime I think 40% people do that, because internationally it's very important to trust. And when you have the good communication and trustable or can talking, then I think it's very good for earning online for you. But some bad thing it's here, दैट्स तुम्हें पता भी नहीं है भाई तुम्हारे साथ सुबह क्या होने वाला है, तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा होने वाला है। आज तुम्हें जो $100 दे रहा है हर वीक का, इट्स मीन $400, $500 हर महीने का, कल हो सकता है तुम्हारे साथ नहीं काम करेगा। सो यू हैव द पेशेंस दैट्स पर्टिकुलर थिंग एंड यू हैंडल इट, देन आई थिंक इट्स गुड फॉर यू। बट इससे डरना नहीं है। फ्रीलांसिंग यही होता है, ऑनलाइन अर्निंग यही होता है, तुम्हें हर दिन कोशिश करना होगा। लाइक तुम्हें लगता है आज तुम्हें एक क्लाइंट मिला है $100 का, तुम अगले 3 और 4 दिन काम पे नहीं बैठोगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा। इट्स नॉट गुड थिंकिंग, बिकॉज व्हेन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड सिग्नल इट दैट्स यू हैव द पोटेंशियल मनी टू सर्वाइव, उसके बाद तुम्हारा काम करने का मन नहीं करेगा। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग, फोकस योर गोल एवरी डे और लर्न एवरी डे, देन तुम कर पाओगे, बिल्कुल कर पाओगे।